Hey, happy holidays, everybody. Quick update on the 86 Fox body. I had to go get this thing smogged, and I put my street tires back on it over there and took it and got it smogged. First time it didn't pass because of it's the evap test, and that was when I replaced the daggone hose in that busted going to the drag race, the hose inside the hanger. I didn't tighten the lock ring all the way down. So obviously when he pressurized the tank, there was a little bit of leak, and that failed. But anyway, I dropped the tank again. I replaced the replaced the gasket on the top of with the fuel hanger and the new lock ring. I also replaced the grommet for the fuel filler neck and replaced the rubber hoses running up to the canister. Took it back. It passed no problem. Matter of fact, this time it actually smogged lower. And that was with 30-pound injectors, a Pro M75, which I took the sticker off to make it look stock. And had my air pump on here. I did put on a MagnaFlow X-pipe, Cat X-pipe on there. But anyway, the update on this now is this is all coming out. There's a tick in this engine I can't get rid of, so I'm going to take it apart, take a look at the bottom end, and check and see if I need new bearings or whatnot. I might even just order a whole new short block and go from there. And I do want to send out my trick flow heads to get ported. So that is the next step. Just tearing this down. I got my engine hoist here ready to go. I got my engine stand in the shed. And I actually got the garage cleaned out. Put these racks in so now the Fox body can stay inside. But anyway, yeah, so engine's coming out, T5 ready to go in, all the swap parts ready to roll. And yeah, she passed smog again, so good to go for 2 years. And I'll update this as I plan on tearing the engine out, at least have it ready to pull out this weekend. So all goes well. We'll have this out and maybe order a new short block or get the pan off this thing and see what the bearings look like. All right, happy holidays, everybody. I'll post an update later this weekend.